Dear viewers, Drishti IS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Transport Initiative for Asia, that is TIA project. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the Indian government's think tank Niti Aayog, in collaboration with World Resources Institute or WRI, launched the Forum for Decarbonizing Transport in the country. This is part of the Nationally Determined Contributions or NDC Transport Initiative for Asia or TIA project. Now let's discuss Forum for Decarbonizing Transport. The project aims at bringing down the peak level of GHG emissions transport sector in Asia in line with a well below 2-degree pathway, resulting in problems like congestion and air pollution. The Forum for Decarbonization of Transport will act as the conduit for bringing diverse voices and needs to adopt an integrated approach for greening the transport sector in India. The project will help in the development of innovative business models for targeted results and the holistic growth of the electric mobility space in India. Niti Aayog is the implementing partner for the India component of the project. Now moving on to NDC-TIA. It is a regional initiative that aims to promote a comprehensive approach to decarbonize transport in India, Vietnam, and China. In each of the partner countries, the NDC-TIA supports in making their sectoral contributions to the achievement of the NDCs of the Paris Agreement. The NDC-TIA program has a duration of 4 years. Now shifting towards the focus, the NDC-TIA India component will focus on strengthening greenhouse gas, that is GHG, and transport modeling capacities, providing technical support on GHG emission reduction measures, financing climate actions in transport, and offering policy recommendations on electric vehicle, that is EV demand and supply policies, etc. Now let's have a look at the India's transport sector. India has a massive and diverse transport sector, which is also the third most CO2 emitting sector. With increasing urbanization, the fleet size, that is the number of sales of the vehicles, is increasing rapidly. It is projected that the total number of vehicles will be doubled by 2030. Therefore, the transition to a decarbonization path for the transport sector in India is essential to achieving the goals of the Paris Climate Agreement for 2050. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements. 1. In India, the transport sector is the most CO2 emitting sector. 2. Transport Initiative for Asia aims to promote a comprehensive approach to decarbonize transport in India, Vietnam, and China only. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, or D. neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.